Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about chapter Ornamental Fish Breeding and Culture from Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture. I've written all those points that could be framed as a question, and thus it's very useful for your JRF exam as well as fishes related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, aquarium keeping of fish began in 1805. First public display aquarium at Regent's Park in England in 1853. By 1928, there were 45 display aquaria. At present, there are 500 and plus aquaria worldwide. Market-wise, interest of ornamental fishes are 1%, and as a hobby, it is 99%. In India, ornamental fish keeping began or it is 70 years old. Trade increased since the 80s. In 1995, world trade of ornamental fishes reached 4.5 billion US dollar. 10% growth per year is seen in case of the growth of ornamental fishes. Then contribution from freshwater is 80%, from marine water it is 20%. Indian water possesses 2319 fin fishes, out of which 640 species are found in inland water. 100 varieties of ornamental fishes that are basically found in northeast region and western Ghat region. Some of the examples I have included, there were many. For example, black knife fish, Notopterus notopterus, scaly bar, Gonoproctopterus lithopoides, red-tailed silver shark, Gonoproctopterus curcuma, Nilgiri shark, Gonoproctopterus thomasi, black labio, Labio nigrescens. I have not written all the examples. There were many examples, so for that you have to refer handbook. There were many examples. Then coming to important point again, 85% species collected from Western Ghat. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It was amended in 1980. Then SIFA Bhubaneswar breeds some indigenous varieties. Success in breeding and larval rearing achieved for these species such as Indian rosy barb, that is Pontius conconius, black line rasbora, that is Parlius eosoma daniconius, Indian flying barb Esomus danricus, dwarf gourami Colisa lalia, giant danio, that is Danio acupenatus. Then NBFGR plus College of Fisheries Kochi. NBFGR is National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, that is in Lucknow. They developed captive breeding and larval rearing technique for 12 ornamental fishes. Basically, those species includes Pontius species, for example, Pontius fasciatus. Then they domesticated. Then again NBFGR along with Regional Agriculture Research Station Kumaracom domesticated yellow catfish, that is Horabacchus brachysoma and Gonoproctopterus curcuma. Then CF Kochi standardized breeding for Pontius denisoni. Size of tropical ornamental fishes, average size is 3 to 4 centimeter. Then they are divided into several groups such as egg layers that are oviparous and live bearers that are ovoviviparous. Then those that show parental care are referred to as guarders, and those who do not show parental care are referred to as non-guarders. Then egg barriers, mouth incubators, nest builder and egg carriers. Then example for egg layers includes barbs, danios, rasboras, goldfish, tetras, bettas, gouramis. Example for live bearers are guppy, platy, molly and swordtail. Then most important group among egg layers are barbs, mostly belongs to India. For example, rosy barb Pontius conconius, striped barb Pontius fasciatus, aruli barb Pontius aruleus. Then coming to danios, giant danio Danio acupenatus, pearl danio Brachydanio albaninatus, zebra danio Brachydanio rario, that is of Indian origin. Then rasboras, slender rasbora is Rasbora daniconius, glowlight rasbora Rasbora pensipyrophorata. Then scissor tail Rasbora trilineata. Color of goldfish is pure gold, red, orange, black and albino. Goldfish dorsal fin is absent, divided caudal and anal fin. Pearl like glittering scales are found in goldfishes. Varieties of goldfishes includes comet, lionhead, oranda, that is modification of lionhead, fringe tail, wheel tail and fan tail. Shubinkin, that is a scaleless hybrid, and telescopic eye. Average size is 20 cm and breeding starts at the size of 6 cm. In case of goldfishes, scientific name of goldfish is Cariaceus auratus. Then tetras, these are small fishes of 3 to 8 cm. They are basically originated from South America. Black widow tetra, Gymnocorymbus termetgi, Serpe tetra, Hephaesobrychon colistus. Then beta splendens, Siamese fighter fishes. Color varies from green, red, blue, albino. Then angel fishes, Pterophyllum clemenki, and Pterophyllum scalaire also. Then varieties includes black, wheeltail, marble and albino. Then three spot gourami, Trichogaster trichopterus, pearl gourami, Trichopterus leary, moonlight gourami, Trichopterus microlepis, snake skin gourami, Trichopterus pectoralis, dwarf gourami, Colisa lalia, giant gourami, Colisa fasciatus, chocolate gourami, Sphaerictis ospronimates, kissing gourami, Heliostema teminki. Beta and gouramis, these are nest builder and harder species. They have accessory respiratory organs. Then coming to guppy, scientific name Poecilia reticulata, and molly Poecilia sphenops, that is of black molly. Swordtail Xiphophorus halleri, platy Xiphophorus maculatus. Then coming to breeding of live bearers, first of all we will deal with the characteristics of guppy, molly, platy and swordtails. So guppy and molly, they have enlarged sail-like dorsal fin. In platies, they are with rounded tail fin. Swordtails, pointed sword-like extension to caudal fins. Then guppy, molly and platy give birth to 50 to 60 babies and swordtail give birth to 100 babies. Guppy originated from South America. They feeds on mosquito larvae. Temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Size range is 2.5 to 3.5 cm. This is the average size for guppy. Then Kabomba and Hydrilla species are used for breeding purpose. Mass breeding tank used is 100 into 100 into 60 cm. In swordtail, female to male common conversion is seen, and in male to female conversion is rare. Then some facts: guppy, platy, swordtail and black molly, males are smaller and females are bigger. This is a common fact between guppy, platy, swordtail and black molly. Average size for guppy is 2.5 to 3.5 cm, platy 3 to 4 cm, swordtail 6 to 7 cm, black molly 7 to 8 cm. These are the size of males of guppy, platy, swordtail and black molly. Then average temperature needed for their growth is 23 to 28 degrees Celsius. This is the optimum temperature or favorable temperature. In swordtails, pH 5 to 6 leads to the development of male, and if the pH is more than 7, then it leads to the development of female. Belanosox belligens, it is pike killifish. Half beaks Dermogenes persillus. Then live bearers are oviviparous. It's not oviparous, it's oviviparous, and they are ovoviviparous. During growth, they need protein concentration of 35%, and all other times they need protein concentration of 25 to 30%. Egg scatterers, first of all, egg scatterers with non-adhesive egg, they are zebrafish. Large egg scatterers, Danio species. Small egg scatterers, Brachydanio species. Then male is to female ratio 2 is to 1 or 3 is to 1. Egg scatterers with adhesive eggs, they includes goldfish, scientific name Carassius auratus. Hydrilla is used for their breeding purpose. Spawner is to milter ratio is 1 is to 2. At the time of spawning, they lay eggs 2000 to 3000 eggs. Healthy eggs are golden transparent in color. Dead eggs are pale white in color. Hatching takes place in 3 days. Hatching rate is 80 to 90%. Then coming to egg depositors, these includes Rasboras daniconius, slender rasbora, scissor tail Rasbora trilinata. Egg barriers, killifish, Aplochilus panchax, Aplochilus blanchi. Nest builders, gouramis. They are also known as labyrinth or anabented fishes. 4 families and 70 species. They have accessory respiratory organ. Labyrinth, that is the extension of gill chamber. Colisa lalia is found in eastern India. Then coming to angelfish, these are also nest builder. They feed on flake feed. Then Amazon sword plant, Echinodorus. Feed 40 to 45% protein and 1.25 ppm of 3,3-5-triiodo L-thyrronine, that is T3, is mixed in feed and given to them, and it acts as a growth enhancer. Nutrient requirement is protein 40 to 45%, lipid 4 to 6%. For young one, carbohydrate 40 to 50%. And for adults, protein 30 to 35%, 6 to 8% lipids, and 40 to 50% carbohydrate. 100 milligram vitamin E per kg diet of goldfish, early gonadal maturation. Then live feed includes Infusoria, that is a paramecium, earthworm, Eisenia foetida, sludge worm, tubifex. Ornamental fish breeding cum rearing unit, minimum land 500 to 1000 square feet, 1 acre is equal to 0.4 hectare. Live bearers prefer hard water or alkaline water. Egg layers like goldfish, they prefer wide range of salinity. Then angelfish, loaches and oscar, they prefer soft acidic water. Common diseases in ornamental fish includes ichthyoptheriasis, and its treatment method is 5% methylene blue. Udinium, treatment is copper sulfate 0.1 mg per liter. Saprolegnia, treatment is 5% methylene blue or malachite green. Exophthalmus, 1% silver nitrate, 1% KMNO4. Pseudomoniasis, iodine solution is used for their treatment. Dropsy, antibiotics are used for the treatment of dropsy. Gyrodactyliasis, formaldehyde 5 to 6 drops per liter. Argulosis, KMNO4 1 to 2% is used for the treatment of argulosis. Then some aquarium plants. First of all, Acorus gramineus, this is also known as Japanese dwarf rust. Bacopa moneri, similar to Ludwigia. Egeria densa, this is a fast growing and denser in colder water. Then those that reproduce by vegetative propagation includes Rhotelia, Nomaphila and Nimlophila. Sexual or seed propagation includes Cyperus and Samolus. Those that reproduce by tissue culture method includes Anubias. Then media for aquatic plant production is rock wool or cult wool. GMAD is Global Marine Aquarium Database. It was established by UNEP-WCMC in 2000. What is UNEP-WCMC? It is United Nations Environment Program World Conservation Monitoring Center. MSC, full form is Marine Aquarium Council. Guideline for marine ornamental fishes given by MSC, that is Marine Stewardship Council. Ampida Kochi 2011, certification for freshwater ornamental fishes or green certification for freshwater ornamental fishes. Marine ornamental fish culture includes over 25,000 species, 4,000 reef associated species, 50% are clownfish and damselfish. Most commonly traded family of marine fish for ornamental purpose is Pomacanthidae, that is 43% of the total. Pomacanthidae and Acanthuridae. India is repository for 200 varieties. Pomacanthidae includes anemone fish and damselfishes. Culture of marine ornamental fishes by CMF Rai. Clownfish, also known as Strupacula, also known as clown anemone fish, scientific name Amphiprion parcula. Common clown, also known as false crown anemone fish, scientific name Amphiprion ocellus. Maroon clown, Premnaz species. Pseudochromis dilectus, red-head dottyback. Chrysoptera cyni, it is sapphire devil. Chromis viridis, green chromis. Pomacentris pavo, peacock damsel or sapphire. Amphiprion frenatus, it is tomato clown. Then clownfish breeding, 2500 to 3000 lux light intensity. Temperature 26 to 29 degrees Celsius. Salinity 33 to 36 ppt. Clownfish, these are protandrous hermaphrodite. Male is developed first, also known as sequential hermaphrodite. Then feed includes wet feed 10% of the body weight. Rotifers 800 to 1000 number per milliliter. Artemia apply at the rate of 200 to 400 numbers per milliliter. EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid 20:5n-3. THA 22:6n3. Then microalgae includes Nanochloropsis oculata, Pavlova lutheri. Parental care shown by fanning, fluttering pectoral fins and mouthing. Mouthing helps to take out the bacteria or any kind of microorganisms. Spawned eggs, these are white to bright orange. These are developed 3rd to 6th day. These are black in color, and on the 6th day or afterwards they are silvery in color. Then larval size is of 3 to 4 millimeter. Larvals are fed with SS, that is super small Brachiones rotundiformis. Then feeding stage include stage 1, that is 1 to 8th day. These are fed with covered rotifers and algae. Stage 2, that is from 9 to 20 days. They are fed with Artemia and rotifers. Copepods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Head butting syndrome encountered during larval rearing. Healthy larvae have well-rounded body. Unhealthy larvae have bent body at the angle of 45 degrees. Juveniles are fed at the rate of 15 to 20% body weight. Then damsel fishes or damsel breeding includes feeding is done at 5 to 10% of their body weight. They include species such as Dacylus, Tramicalotus. 12,000 to 15,000 eggs, and eggs are of oval shape. Then Decylus arumanus, that is 8,000 to 10,000 eggs. For damselfish, inner side of tank is light blue in color. Green water technique is used using microalgae Nanochloropsis species. Then transportation, fishes should be starved 2 to 3 days before their transportation is to be done. Cardboard box is used for the short journeys transportation, and styrofoam box along with ice are used for the longer journey. CPC full form is Consultancy Processing Cell of CMFRI, and also single window system of CMFRI. Okay, so that's all for this video of ornamental fish breeding and culture from Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture. We have covered all those points, all those important points that could be framed as a question, and thus it's very useful for your JRF exam and fisheries related other competitive exam. Okay, so thank you for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.